Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way 3-minute series lesson number 36b, in which we will take a review of the verbs that we have learned so far. Remember that there are 4 important styles of a verb, and they are fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a. To remember them easily, we have this simple construction. If you open the Quran,
Fataha,
Allah will help you.
Nasara,
Otherwise, you will be hit.
Daraba,
Therefore, listen.
Sami'a.
In fi'l madi, there are not many differences. The difference is there only in the 4th type. That is, instead of sama'a, you have sami'a. But the difference is very clear in mudari' forms. So, fataha will become yaftahu. Nasara will become yansuru. Daraba will become yadribu. Sami'a will become yasma'u. Okay, yasma'u, yaftahu is same. And the differences are very light. So can you answer me? Give me the mudari keys. We have this madi key and mudari key. Fataha is madi key and yaftahu is mudari key. Okay, so I will give you madi key and you will tell me mudari key. Fataha
Yaftahu,
Nasara
Yansuru,
Daraba
Yadribu,
Sami'a
Yasma'u.
Once again, Fataha
Yaftahu,
Nasara
Yansuru,
Daraba
Yadribu,
Sami'a
Yasma'u.
So once you have Madi or Mudari keys, you can make the rest of the forms. So once you know Fataha, you can make the rest of the forms. Similarly, once you know Yaftahu, you can make the rest of the forms. So right now we'll practice only Mudari'. So repeat after me. Yaftahu, yaftahuna.
Yaftahu, yaftahuna.
Taftahu, aftahu.
Taftahu, aftahu.
Taftahuna, naftahu.
Taftahuna, naftahu.
On the pattern of Fataha, Yaftahu, you have Ja'ala, Yaj'alu and Fa'ala, Yaf'alu. Let's take the second pattern, which is the most commonly occurring pattern in Arabic language, which is Nasara, Yansuru. Okay, so can you repeat after me? Yansuru, yansuruna.
Yansuru, yansuruna.
Tansuru, ansuru.
Tansuru, ansuru.
Tansuruna, nansuru.
Tansuruna, nansuru.
MashaAllah. On the same patterns, we have khalaqa, yakhluqu, dhakara, yadhkuru, abada, ya'budu. The third most important pattern is daraba, yadribu. Instead of yadrubu or yadrabu, it is yadribu. Yadribu means he hits. Can you repeat after me? Yadribu, yadribuna.
Yadribu, yadribuna.
Tadribu, adribu.
Tadribu, adribu.
Tadribuna, nadribu.
Tadribuna, nadribu.
MashaAllah. And you have other verbs that we have not covered in this course, like zalama, yadlimu, and so on. Let's take the 4th pattern, which is sami'a, yasma'u. Okay, yasma'u is like yaftahu, so there's nothing much here. But anyway, let us repeat these forms. Yasma'u, yasma'una.
Yasma'u, yasma'una.
Tasma'u, asma'u.
Tasma'u, asma'u.
Tasma'una, nasma'u.
Tasma'una, nasma'u.
MashaAllah. And on the patterns of sami'a, yasma'u, we have alima, ya'lamu, and amila, ya'malu. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.